My name is James Thomas. I'm Chief of Maintenance and Operations for DeSoto ISD. Safety and security plays a vital role in the educational world. Without safety and security, it's hard for educators to teach and maintain a strong field of education throughout the facility, which means that students are not learning and students can't be successful without having a safe environment. Some primary areas that we focus on is the amount of attention that we pay to the buildings. Facility-wise, we make sure that the exterior doors are always locked and we have certain areas that people can enter and exit out of. We make sure that every bag that come in is checked. We make sure that every student, when they approach our facility, the number one focus is to provide safety for the staff and students. House Bill 3 impacted safety and security through the districts by enhancing this security. It allowed us funding in areas where we could secure doors more better. We can increase technology. We can enhance the equipment of security. Also doing that, we were able to look at and put our focus on arming and supplying security guards for every campus. Well, one of the things we've done to be proactive in safety and security and make sure our campuses are secure, we've heightened the amount of security personnel that we have. We've increased the presence by making them more uniform and building the presentation of officers being present everywhere. We've heightened the security on games and events to make sure our facilities flow the way they should. Most importantly, we've created a presence where everyone knows that when you enter our building, you're gonna see security personnel, which gives everyone a sense of security. What excites me most about DeSoto ISD is the change that DeSoto ISD is headed toward. There's a lot of talent in DeSoto, from administrators to students to just the community itself, and building a time block where we can go from things of past and how they used to be to things of future, and the technology taking this to a grand scale where this district can be one of the premier districts of the state.